Bitcoin, November 25th, 2025. Daily update. Here's the monthly time frame. We're going bullish trend up. Last month, candle went down, bear candle. Let's see how it reacts from here. This is the 25th, so it's getting close to the end of the month. So let's see if this candle retraces a little bit more or comes a little bit further down in the last few days. You know, there's liquidations down here, and there's a lot of liquidations up here. So we'll see which one it gravitates to. Weekly time frame. Price action rising above the 200 MA. That is bullish. And of course, here we got the first week, not this week right now. We're on a slightly green candle right now. So this may be a decision point, transition point, or not. So we have to keep an eye on that. But overall, bullish. Daily time frame. Price action went down below the 200 MA. That's a bearish sign. And down here we have a long wick, then retrace back up here. Long wick, then retrace back up here. Then green, green. We have a market news coming up. And then we have another one coming up today, for today and tomorrow. So these two factors may propel the price up more or down more, but there's probably going to be some type of volatility at this point right now. So this is a turning point for Bitcoin. 1 hour time frame. Price action is just bouncing down under the 200 MA, which is bearish. Let's see if it can get close to challenge the 200 MA and break above it or not in these next two days, today and tomorrow. But overall, still bearish. You can see the lower highs and higher lows. So that's a good trend up. So this might be squeezing for a pump. 15-minute. Price action is riding on top of the 200 MA. So this 200 MA is slightly coming up. So that is a bullish sign. And price action, you can see higher lows here as well too, as we saw before, which is a good thing. And if it can keep on running above the 200 MA, that's definitely a bullish sign. So that's something to look forward to. But let's go over to the trendline version. Trendline version is the same thing. We got all these guys connected, these 3 points, touch points. And then we got this long action line, which it burst above, and attempting to retest it above it. See if it goes all the way up. So if it keeps on going with strength, that is definitely a bullish sign, which is great. 5 minutes, we have price action bumping above the action line, but still below the 200 MA. So let's see if it rises above it. On the 1 minute line, price action above the 200 MA is going flat, so it's beginning to change. So either going to go flat and then curve back up if we have a continuous bullish trend. So that's the summary for that. So let's see what heat map is going. Heat map, we have some liquidations down here at 86.3, and we got one all the way up at 89.260. So pretty close either way. So it can go either way. I guess the market's deciding where it wants to go when the news comes out. And we have 2 news coming up here on Tuesday. Red folders. On Wednesday, red folders. So that's the update for today.